Adventures with Erazy. Today we're traveling to Condove. Yeah, it's about an hour journey. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Adventures with Erazy. Finally we are in Condove. Yeah, so we're just going inside to explore this town. I have just arrived right now. So this is the train going all the way to Susa. Yeah, so welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. It is Adventures with Erazy, live and direct in Condove. Wow guys, what a beautiful view. Look at that. Mamma mia, it's really amazing here. Yeah, so this is Condove. Condove, it's a town in the metropolitan city of Turin. It is of course located in Val di Susa. Yeah, so here is really amazing guys. Yeah, you can see those Alps. Yeah, I think we'll be exploring more of these, like we'll be exploring more Italian mountains. Yeah, and towns and cities that are very close to mountains. We will be exploring them. Look at these guys. Whoa, looks like somewhere in Switzerland. Man, look at this guys. Whoa, man, what a beautiful view. What a beautiful view guys. Wow, this is Condove. We are right now in Condove guys. Whoa, look at that guys. Wow. Oh guys, this is Adventures with Erazy. Yeah, we are in Condove guys. It's beautiful here. It's really amazing. Yeah, so we're getting into the town. Yeah, we're going into the town center. So we're gonna explore like all the beautiful things that this town really offers. Yeah, so this is Adventures with Erazy. Yeah, walking here in the beautiful town of Condove. Yeah, I really hope this tour is really gonna be amazing. It is my first time here, and I'm so we all gonna enjoy this content. Yeah, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. Whoa guys, this is Condove. Look at the beautiful view guys. Ooh, hardly you see tourists around this end, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know, but it's like most of the tourists are so busy exploring bigger cities or towns. Yeah, but I believe like you can really have an amazing time in places like these. Oh, look at these guys. A beautiful view here in Condove. It is my first time here and I'm really enjoying every moment of it. Let me look at that. It said Centro Municipio, Polizia Municipale, Carabinieri, Villa della Chiesa. It's like everything is around that end. such an amazing view. It's actually not extremely quiet here compared to the other towns that I have visited. Yeah, it's life is lively here. So we are in Condove. So guys, I am in Condove. Yeah. So what I realized here is like the people around here are not used to. I'm not so they're very used to tourists or people visiting around here. Yeah, because people are just staring at me, man. Oh. So guys, this is Adventures with Razy. We are in Condove. Yeah, this town looks really amazing, guys. It's one of the best towns I have ever been to. Yeah. Look at this beautiful view here, guys. Look at this beautiful view. Whoa. Whoa, we are live and direct in Condove. Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Adventures with Razy. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. I'll be showing you a lot of beautiful places in Italy. Places that most content creators have never explored or never been to. Those are the areas that I'm really gonna show you. Yeah, there is a lot that Italy offers. Wow, look at where we are. Look at where we are. That's a cafeteria. If you want to drink coffee, I think the weather is too hot to drink coffee. Yeah, so we are in Condove, and this is a walking tour. Yeah, I'm actually exploring the town and then showing you how beautiful this town is. Yeah, so guys, this is Adventures with Razy. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe. Wow, guys, welcome to Condove. This is an amazing walking tour here. Wow, look at these, guys. These are flowers. Oh, whoa, flowers everywhere. I think that's one thing beautiful about Italy. Like, people love flowers a lot here. I think it's so European, yeah. And if you go to other parts of Europe also, you see the same thing. But in Italy, like, wow, it's hardly for you to visit a compound here, or let's say an apartment, without you seeing flowers around. Yeah, public places everywhere you would see flowers, and this is really, it's really awesome. You know, it makes the environment looks beautiful. Ooh. That's a telephone boat. Wow, guys, look at that view. So we're live and direct in Condove. It is my first time here, and it already looks beautiful, yeah. Ooh. Wow. Let's go explore that church. It's like a church, yeah. Wow, guys. I guess I need to be a little bit careful. I think I can pass, yeah. I'm safe. That is an American flag. Can you see it? Oh, this is my first time seeing an American flag in an Italian property, or mostly like most of the compounds, that you visit, you would often see Italian flags, but I don't know, maybe it signifies something. Oh, I have no idea about this.